Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, March 26th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound US dollar. If you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord trading community linked at the end of this video down in the corner. Also, don't forget to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to gain access to all these benefits listed down below and more. So, anyways, the pound dollar is going down really strong this morning because we had CPI inflation data coming out for the pound, which inflation is down a little bit, but it definitely was negative for the currency, as you can see. Now, if we go back up to the daily time frame, we do have a pretty solid break of structure, and I think at this point we are going to make at least a 38% pullback. We were talking last week about how this could be a flat pattern, but I think that the flat failed, meaning that this is actually probably only a wave A of a bigger correction. It's probably going to end up stretching out something like this, making some sort of an A, B, C on the daily before we actually do get the continuation of the uptrend. Probably at least a 38% minimum pullback, could even go down much more to the 61 or maybe even the 78%. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, obviously there's a lot of support right here in this area. Plus this is the breaker structure area, so there definitely is a lot of support right here. But I think it is more likely that we should continue to look for shorts. Yesterday I was talking about how this move up right here was a higher low, so more than likely this was just another correction to the downtrend, and that's pretty much exactly what happened. So now I would definitely still recommend shorts. I mean, even if it does start to drift up a little bit, I think it's nothing more than a correction to the downtrend. I would expect it to go down to at least a 38% Fibonacci retracement for before we see too much of a significant pullback. And this might even be a wave A, and if it is a wave A, it might even stretch out quite a bit more. It might even look something like that to finish off just a wave A of an ABC correction that will likely form on the higher time frames like the daily time frame. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.